Hey there, expense report warriors. Ever feel like drowning in a sea of receipts and spreadsheets? Trying to track down that crumpled taxi stub from last month's business trip? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where Expensify comes in, a lifesaver for anyone who's ever dealt with the dreaded expense report. It lets you snap photos of receipts, categorize expenses on the go, and even submit reports with a few clicks. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But hold on a second. Maybe you're a freelancer or a small business owner just starting out. The paid plans can be a bit much on the wallet. So, the question becomes, can you downgrade to the free version of Expensify? Absolutely. Expensify offers a free plan that's perfect for those who need a simple and efficient way to manage their expenses. Let's dive in and see how to make the switch and get your expense report woes under control. First things first, are you eligible for free Expensify? The free plan is ideal for individuals and very small teams. If you have 1 or 2 people tracking expenses, you are good to go. However, if you have a larger team or require some of the advanced features like corporate card integration or automated approvals, you'll need to consider a paid plan. Downgrading to free Expensify, a step-by-step guide. Alright, ready to ditch the paid plan and embrace the free life? Here's what you need to do. Log into your Expensify account. This should be a breeze if you're already using the paid plan. Navigate to your account settings. This usually involves clicking on your profile picture or name in the top corner and finding a settings or account option. Look for the billing or subscription section. Here, you should see details on your current plan and any upcoming charges. Find the downgrade option. The exact wording might vary depending on your specific plan, but it should be clear and easy to identify. This could be a button labeled downgrade to free or something similar. Confirm your downgrade. Expensify might ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for downgrading. Just follow the on-screen prompts. What to expect with the free Expensify plan. Now that you're on the free plan, here's a quick rundown of what you can still do. Track expenses, capture receipts with your phone's camera, categorize expenses, and add notes for each transaction. Submit expense reports, create and submit expense reports for easy reimbursement. Basic integrations, connect your bank account for automatic transactions, limited functionality compared to paid plans. Mileage tracking, track your business mileage using the Expensify app. Limitations of the free Expensify plan. It's important to understand that the free plan has some limitations. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Limited user accounts, the free plan only allows for 1 user. So, if you need to manage expenses for a team, you'll need to upgrade. Limited receipt storage, the free plan has a limit on the number of receipts you can store. This could be an issue if you generate a lot of paper trails. Limited report customization, the free plan offers basic report creation but might not have all the bells and whistles you get with paid plans. No customer support, with the free plan, you won't have access to dedicated customer support from Expensify. Is the free Expensify plan right for you? The free plan is a fantastic option for solopreneurs, freelancers, or anyone who needs a simple way to track and submit expense reports. However, if you need features like multiple users, unlimited receipt storage, or advanced reporting, then a paid plan might be a better fit. Final thoughts. Expensify's free plan is a great option for those who want to ditch the expense report hassle without breaking the bank. It offers core functionality and makes expense management a breeze. Just be sure to consider the limitations and upgrade if your needs grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expense reporting.